Hello, welcome to our Sherlock Holmes series where we show you digital espionage. But don't worry, it's all legal and in good fun. Today, we are diving into the LinkedIn ads library. As a busy advertiser, you certainly don't have the time for guesswork, especially on a specialized platform like LinkedIn. We're here to show you how to keep a watchful eye on your industry's bigwigs so you can become a digital marketing maestro. Picture this. You are the advertising guru for a bank, and you're ready to unveil your inner spy. You'll sneak into the search field and target your competitor. Let's say it's the KCB group this time. Head over to their profile, then get cozy with the post tab. And lastly, the ads tab. As you scroll through their covert operations, you'll start to piece together their secret campaign strategies. Scroll through the videos, the artworks, the messaging, the call to actions, everything. Now here's the catch. To be a top-notch spy, you need to be operating from a desktop or laptop. Sorry, no more cool gadgets, you mobile app users. Some of these cool features are off limits to you. Happy spying, everyone.